Are you constantly trying to match and connect people in your community or membership organization, and it feels messy, not accurate, not scalable enough, maybe it's too slow? Well, if it's mission critical for you to connect people, matchmaking software can help you scale this up. Stick around because we're going to go over all the benefits of matchmaking software for your membership organization. Whether it's peer support, professional networking, healthcare, business, or mentorship, in any of those cases, matchmaking software can help you scale up your organization, create accurate and very precise matches. You can send out introduction to your community members on a regular basis, and it will change your business forever. So let's go over the matchmaking software today and why your mission depends on it. First of all, why matching even matters today in the world? Well, every thriving network, every successful community depends on connections, depends on building productive, successful relationships for any of those purposes. In some cases, it's more mission critical even. In, for example, organizations with peer support or healthcare, where patients have to connect with volunteers for a mission critical health related issues. And the list of critical mission matchmaking scenarios goes on and on and on. The connection, the accurate introduction on time matters. It creates success and relationships. Let's talk about the core benefits of the matchmaking software. SmartMatchApp is the #1 matchmaking software on the market. And the #1 question everybody's asking me, is it customizable for our organization, for our community? And the answer is yes, it's 100% customizable for your community. Any workflows that you can imagine. It has a customizable matchmaking algorithm. You can put weights on your matches, on your criteria, on your interests, and so that the system is going to create matches exactly for your community and for your interests. You can create customizable fields. You can create customizable matching criteria, preferences, and also use AI during the process to increase the quality of your matches on time. So the #1 reason is it's completely customizable. Let's move on to the next point. The next important question everybody is asking me, is it automatable? Yes, you can automate all the workflows in this system so that the matches are produced automatically using AI, using our automation tools. You can create intervals when the matches will be created. It could be every day, it could be every month. You can use all the data available, including open text fields, including profile fields, or you can use only certain profiles and put certain weights, high, low, or medium weights on certain criteria for your members to connect. And you can automate the entire workflow. We're going to be covering the details, how it works step by step below. But the #2 feature or the benefit of matchmaking software for your community that you can automate it, or you can personalize it completely and make the entire process manual and personalized. It's also a very popular case where matchmakers actually reviewing every match and every profile before sending introductions. So there is that use case as well. And we're going to cover that a little bit later too. So yes, those two cases are completely covered and they're very productive when you start using matchmaking software. The #3 question everybody is asking also is, can I put my branding on it and can I white label it? And again, the answer is 100% yes. You can brand it, you can white label it, and so that our name, SmartMatchApp, is not going to even appear anywhere in the URL or in the bottom footer of the introductions, or when people log into the software in your member portal, for example, there will be no mention of our SmartMatchApp name. So it's like you're running your own custom-made, custom-tailored software for your community without them knowing it's SmartMatchApp on the back, powering this amazing matchmaking tool for you. Number 4, reporting. You can get all the data that you want in any format you want in terms of all the logins in the software, how many matches were actually made, how many introductions were sent out today or tomorrow, and you can completely review the entire success of your community in terms of engagement on a regular basis. So it's at your fingertips, really. Your entire introduction and matchmaking process is in front of you on a daily basis, and you can see easily how successful you are at engaging your community every day in and out. Our matchmaking software has a member portal functionality which allows you to let your members log in into the system under your brand if you would like and interact with each other on their own. They can receive introductions inside of the portal, they can update their matching preferences, they can chat and message each other without your direct involvement or with your involvement, creating a hybrid matchmaking process where your members connecting with themselves, the system is recommending matches and suggestions for them, and yet you're monitoring everything on the back and suggesting the matches from your matchmaking team as well. So it's a complete 360 process where your team can manifest and can manage the matchmaking process at the same time as your members are engaged on their own, creating the most optimal matchmaking process. And last but not the least, in the list of the benefits is the integration. If you are already running another software, membership community software, maybe sales software, and you need to integrate matchmaking software, SmartMatchApp, into your ecosystem, it's very easy. You can use, for example, Zapier, ready-to-go tools, or Make, or you can use API. It's a little bit more time-consuming, but API is a lot more flexible than any other tools. It requires a little bit of a technical setup as well. When you use custom API, we can provide you that service, or maybe you have your own software developers as well. And then it could be completely customized and integrated with pretty much any platform you use or intending to use. You can also build front-end applications in a native app like iOS or Android on your own, or using our system and our web developers as well to create a complete seamless experience for your members for your amazing purpose, be it mentorship, peer support, professional networking, healthcare, or career advice, anything you can desire. Let's talk a little bit more about integration. You can integrate with thousands of different applications, starting from Google Sheets, going all the way to Salesforce, HubSpot, Circle, Zapier, and Mighty Networks, and the list goes on and on and on. There is no limit to what organization, what software you can connect with SmartMatchApp. It's completely flexible, completely customizable. So take the advantage of it and start today. An example of a workflow that you can easily implement with SmartMatchApp under your community is, for example, you create a web forms for different types of members, for example, volunteers and patients, for example, in a healthcare patient environment, for example, right? So they can create their profiles automatically from your website. Then they go into the member portal. They start receiving email introductions, automated messages, welcome them and sending them new profiles on a regular basis, showing it's 90% match or 80% match. You should guys connect together. You can use any channels you want. You can send it by email, by text message, by Slack. We integrate with Slack, which is an amazing feature as well, or any other tool that you're using. So the introductions are regular. They can connect, message each other, and the next thing you know, they're matched and the relationship starts. It's that simple. Literally in 4 or 5 steps, your members will start receiving introductions, making connections, and all with the available data that you already have. I am sure that you already have a lot of data available for your clients. All you need to do is to implement matchmaking software in your organization to start creating real, accurate, valuable connections and introductions. You can see that we have hundreds of testimonials and reviews from our customers in all of the possible cases that you can imagine. Mentorship organizations, professional networking organizations. You can see that we have testimonials and success ratings on our website as well. You can see hundreds of testimonials and reviews on our website covering all possible cases from mentorship to career advice, matchmaking to non-profit to associations, professional networking, investment and investment accelerators, event accelerators as well. So you basically have a complete range of communities and membership organizations using our software, and you have the success cases in front of you on our website going through the entire spectrum of organizations that use us. Please take a moment to take a look on our websites and you will see for yourself. The success cases speak for themselves. SmartMatchApp is very affordable. You can start at $49 per month for an essential plan and grow your usage to the next plan, to the ultimate plan, or even custom and enterprise plan. There is a solution for every size and for every type of organization. Feel free to contact us and ask the best plan for your organization. It's very easy. We also offer free trials that are completely easy to access. We provide completely free discovery calls during the free trials and demos, personalized free demos to answer all of your questions. So what are you waiting for? Get in and start trying. So, ready to build smarter, better connection in your organization, in your community? If it's mission critical for you to connect and match people, just use the link below to get a free trial and a completely free demo, personal demo from our account manager. And you will get 2 hours of discovery calls with our success manager on top. And 100% guarantee that we will build a pilot case for you until it works. You will not pay anything. There is guarantee in place 100% for all of our clients. We just want happy, loyal, successful clients. Use the link below to get a free trial and get started on your journey to better matches, to more matches, to connections that thrive and create successful businesses, successful peer support groups, successful world.